what is a large language model. A large language model is an instance of something else called a foundation model. Now, foundation models are pre-trained on large amounts of unlabeled and self-supervised data, meaning the model learns from patterns in the data in a way that produces generalizable and adaptable output. And large language models are instances of foundation models applied specifically to text and text-like things. Now, large language models are trained on large data sets of text, such as books, articles, and conversations. And look, when we say large, these models can be tens of gigabytes in size and trained on enormous amounts of text data. We're talking potentially petabytes of data here. To put that into perspective, a text file that is, let's say, 1 gigabyte in size, that can store about 178 million words. A lot of words just in 1 GB. And how many gigabytes are in a petabyte? It's about 1 million. Yeah, that's truly a lot of text. All right, so how do they work? We can think of it like this. LLM equals 3 things: data, architecture, and lastly, we can think of it as training. Those 3 things are really the components of an LLM. Now, we've already discussed the enormous amounts of text data that goes into these things. As for the architecture, this is a neural network, and for GPT, that is a transformer. And the transformer architecture enables the model to handle sequences of data like sentences or lines of code. And transformers are designed to understand the context of each word in a sentence by considering it in relation to every other word. This allows the model to build a comprehensive understanding of the sentence structure and the meaning of the words within it. And then this architecture is trained on all of this large amount of data. Now, during training, the model learns to predict the next word in a sentence. So the sky is, it starts off with a random guess. The sky is bug. But with each iteration, the model adjusts its internal parameters to reduce the difference between its predictions and the actual outcomes. And the model keeps doing this, gradually improving its word predictions until it can reliably generate coherent sentences. Forget about bug. It can figure out it's blue. Here the model refines its understanding to be able to perform this specific task more accurately. Fine-tuning is what allows a general language model to become an expert at a specific task. Okay, so how does this all fit into business applications? For customer service applications, businesses can use LLMs to create intelligent chatbots that can handle a variety of customer queries, freeing up human agents for more complex issues. Another good field, content creation. That can benefit from LLMs, which can help generate articles, emails, social media posts, and even YouTube video scripts. And look, that's just scratching the surface. As large language models continue to evolve, we're bound to discover more innovative applications.